Welcome to PowerShell Commands 101, where we dive into the world of powerful scripting and automation with Windows PowerShell. In just 2 minutes, we will introduce you to some essential commands that will empower you to take control of your computer like never before. Let's start with the get process command. This mighty command allows you to retrieve information about all the processes running on your system. With a simple line of code, you can discover the process ID, name, CPU usage, and much more. It's like peeking behind the scenes of your machine's operation. Now, let's move on to the set execution policy command. This command lets you control the level of security for running scripts on your computer. You can choose from various execution policies like restricted, all signed, remote signed, and unrestricted, ensuring only trusted scripts run on your system. It's a fantastic way to protect your computer from potential threats. Next up is the get help command. As the name suggests, it's your go-to command for getting help with any PowerShell topic, command, or concept. If you ever find yourself stuck and in need of assistance, just type get help followed by your query, and PowerShell will provide you with a wealth of information and examples. Moving on, we have the start service command. With this command, you can start, stop, pause, or resume any service on your computer. Whether it's restarting a misbehaving service or managing critical services, Start Service gives you the power to keep your system running smoothly. Lastly, let's talk about the get content command. This command allows you to read the contents of files without opening them. You can effortlessly extract information from a text file, CSV, or even log files. Get content enables you to automate tasks that involve reading file contents, saving you time and effort. And there you have it. A brief introduction to some essential PowerShell commands. With these commands at your disposal, you can unleash the true potential of Windows PowerShell and master the art of automation. So go ahead, explore, experiment, and let PowerShell be your guiding force in the world of scripting and automation.